In this video I want to show you how to make the royal icing that puts the gingerbread house together. So you need three basic ingredients. You need confectioner's sugar, you need meringue powder, which you can pick up at a Michael's or another craft store or baking supply store, and then you need warm water. Not cold, not hot, warm, just lukewarm water. Okay? So what we're going to do is take the confectioner's sugar, dump that in the bowl, 2 pounds. We're going to take 6 tablespoons of meringue powder, level, don't heap it, make sure it's level, and then 2/3 cup of water. All right, we have our 2 pounds of sugar in the bowl, and now we're going to add our 6 tablespoons of meringue powder. And again, we want to make sure that those 6 tablespoons are nice and level. Now going to transfer over to our mixer. Add in our 2/3 cup of warm water. And then you're going to want to start the mixer very slow so that the ingredients don't go all over the place. Once you see that most of the meringue powder and sugar has been absorbed by the liquid, you are then going to beat on high
the icing for 2 to 4 minutes until you get a nice, thick consistency.
In this case, I'm on number 5 or 6 on the KitchenAid mixer. At this point, our icing is a good stiff consistency, so we're just going to turn the mixer off. What you want to make sure is that once you have made the icing, if you're not going to use it right away, you need to make sure that you keep the icing covered. So at this point, I would normally scrape off the beater, but I'm just going to lay some foil or some wet paper towels over top of the icing. As long as you keep the icing covered, that will keep the icing nice and soft. If you don't keep it covered, it'll dry out very quickly. So just put some foil or wet paper towel over top of the bowl, and that'll keep it good and ready for you when you're ready to use it.